I'm so excited to be doing this song with the guys, the Mangale brothers, Usipho, Temkosi, and Khaya Mthethwa. The song says, "Arise from the ashes, the deep darkness. Oh, the Lord calls you by name." I love the song so much. It's a very special song in my heart. I wrote it with my wife Ntokozo and co-wrote it with Khaya Mthethwa as well. He wrote the verse on that song. It's a beautiful song. I remember the first verse says, "I know you've been down and out. You've lost hope, felt like giving up." It's a story. It's a story that I think everybody experiences in his life, where you feel down, you feel like giving up. And there's a part that says, "Listen to the voice calling you." And that's God saying that I am He who supply you all your needs. I am the lifter of I'm the lifter of your head, and I'm calling you to arise from the ashes, the deep darkness. So it's a very special song, a song that I believe it's going to move people's lives. It's going to encourage those who have been discouraged, because I know life can be really hard sometimes, but uNkulunkulu has given us this ministry to encourage somebody.
I know you have been down and out. You've lost hope, felt like giving up. I may never understand what you feel inside your heart. Listen to the voice calling you. I am He who supplies all your needs. I'm the lifter of your head, and I'm calling you to arise. Arise from the ashes, the deep darkness. Oh, the Lord calls you by name. Oh, arise from the ashes, the deep darkness. Oh, the Lord calls you by name. Oh, arise. I know you have been talked about. The mistakes you've made fill you up or down. The thought of fear, shame, and giving up, it shatters the dreams God has given you. Keep your eyes just fixed on Him. Well, I know the plans I have for your life. You may not seem to understand, but now I'm calling you to arise, yeah, from the ashes, yeah, the deep darkness. Oh, the Lord calls you by name tonight. He calls you to arise from where you are, yes, from the ashes, yeah. Oh, the Lord calls you. Arise, child of God. Arise from that depression, oh, from the ashes, yeah. Oh, yes, He calls you by name. He says He knows the plans He has for your life, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, the Lord. Oh, arise. Now it is the time to stand tall. Take your rightful place. The child of the King is stronger than you think. You were born for greatness. Want to rule. Rule and reign. Walk in your authority. Arise. Arise from the ashes, the deep darkness. Oh, the Lord calls you by name. Arise. what you may be going through. I don't know what God has given you, but don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare give up on God. Don't you dare give up on God. Child of God, would you arise today? Take your rightful place. Stand tall as a child of God that you are. Don't lose heart, don't lose heart. Don't you dare lose heart.